Alright, this is Mary sticking her tongue out. Not so Chicago, Illinois. This is what happens when we are extremely bored. Or we eat lemons like me! But this child's crazy and she might eat hot sauce just for the heck of it because she can, apparently. There's nothing crazy about her, just little psychosis if you can't tell. But she has a camera, so that makes everything okay. Say something to the camera.
Hi, camera. We're in Chicago, Illinois. Or almost.
We will be tonight.
Hard rock, baby.
Wow, you are scary.
You find that odd?
No. Save me. And with that, I shall say goodbye, and this will be posted on YouTube.
Bye-bye, and please no.
It's not stopping.